Yellow, how's it going, guys? Thank you for watching. For this video, we're gonna do a keto taste test on this meat stick right here. I can never say meat stick. We're gonna do a keto taste test on this right here, the Circle B Ranch Big John's nitrate-free bacon snack stick. That was long. I got this off one of the Keto crate boxes. I got the website right here and it says that it's $2.50. Normally for $2.50 it'll be a little bit longer, but it would also be thinner. So this is probably evens out somewhere around there. They do offer a 10% off from Keto crate. I've gotten a lot of meat sticks in the Keto crate boxes before. It's one of those things that is just keto friendly. So it is nice when I get them. This one I think is the original flavor. So I prefer spicy or something with like a unique flavor, but that's okay. We're gonna try this one and see how it goes. So the label doesn't actually have the nutritional facts. It does have the ingredients, which is pork, uncured bacon, which is delicious, and then a bunch of other stuff: sea salt, cultured celery juice, powder, sea salt, sugar, black pepper, garlic, and lactic acid. The website does say fat 8 grams and net carb 0. As I mentioned on some of the other jerky videos or meat stick videos, for whatever reason companies like putting sugar on this stuff even though it doesn't come with sugar, but I guess they're trying to beat out the other competition with flavor. So we're gonna get right into this since there's no nutritional facts. I think it has little divots on here so you can just pull on it and open it up like that. Woo, it smells good. It smells like bacon. Yum, 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 yum. That smells good. A nice strong flavor. I mean, not a nice strong smell. We'll find out if it has a nice strong flavor soon. I like how it breaks. It has a nice little crunch to it. So, you know. Oh man, that bite is really nice. ¿No te gusta? Sí. You know, it's not spicy, but it has enough pepper in there that it has like a little nice subtle spice to it. I do taste the citric acid. I like it because I like lemon. No, it's a meal. Just wants to eat my part. It does have a really nice crunch. I appreciate that crunch right there. It makes it a little bit more enjoyable. It reminds me of the, I forget the name of them, but Little Smokies, which is like the sausage. I forget the company that makes them, but it's basically like the sausage. Actually, you know what? It's actually closer to the Japanese sausage. What are those called? So I guess it's kind of like here in Hawaii, the brand is Arabiki.
Arabiki sausage.
Sausage, which is we get it from Costco, but it has that same color. It has that same crunch. This one has a little bit more flavor than those, but obviously this is meant to have the flavor inside instead of like the sausages. You gotta cook them and try to add flavor to it. I mean, they're good by themselves too, but yeah, this is actually reminds me more of that Japanese sausage than bacon. So that's really good. I enjoyed it. Thumbs up from me. 2 thumbs up from Ria. Thumbs up from Fabi. Definitely good. I will most likely buy this again. I do like having jerky or things like this around because it makes a good snack. Plus, a lot of times it lasts a little longer than if you actually buy meat. Again, it has 0 net carbs, so that's another thing that helps. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. We got a bunch of videos coming up. So make sure you hit that bell so you get notified when those videos are up. Before I forget, make sure that you let me know in the comment section below if you try this product, if you're thinking about getting this product. If you do get it and you enjoyed it, let me know. But I really appreciate you guys watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.